Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. Okay, in the last video, we learned how to use len, mid, and find function. And I told you that in the next video, I'll teach you how to write the complex formula easily. Okay, so here we have the list of student names. Okay, and we need our task is to find the last name. So just pick out the last name. So to find out how we did it, we first found the length of the text. So to find the length is equals to len open bracket in the text, and we need to find the space so that we can pick data from next to space. So to find space, the formula is equals to find space comma the text, and we are adding 1 because we don't want space, we want from the next letter. So in this case Amit space sing, so we want from sing, yes. So that's why we added just this two, we added 1. Okay, and the second name length is the total length minus the first name plus space. First name here in this case 4 plus 1 space 5. So here which we got result 5. So total length minus 5. So we'll get answer whatever it is. So that one we need to pick. The second name length we found it here 5. So to pick the 5, so we are using mid formula. So so what is the formula? So equals to mid text. This is the text which we want to have, and start number is sixth because after space, yeah, and how many number of characters, that is in I 5 which for. So when we enter this, so we get the name. Now we'll do one thing, how to write in a single formula. So we got this, then we copy the same formula, copy from here from the formula bar. Okay, and here I paste it here in this one. Whatever formula is here, I've copied here. Now press F2 to see which fields it is taking. See, it is taking from E5, H5 and I5. So these all contain formula. So I'll take E5 is just text. So let's leave H5. H5. There is a formula in H5. So we'll press F2 and copy the formula, excluding the equals to mark. Okay. So I just copy, and wherever H2 is there, I'll just replace with the formula. So I'll just select H2, sorry, H5, and paste the formula which was there in H5. Okay. Now H5 is gone. H5 formula we have already put it here. Now we have G5. Okay. So we'll go to G5, F2, copy, excluding the equals to mark, and we'll replace G5 with the formula. Okay. Now we are left with I5. Okay. So what is I5? I5 is F5 minus G5. I5 is equal to, yeah, Now, if you see f f5 and g5 again is a formula. So we'll copy wherever f5 is there. We'll take the formula f5 length. So replace f5 with the formula and g5. So we'll take g5 formula, copy, and wherever g5 is there, I just paste this formula. See, now the complex formula looks so easy. So we'll delete this entire data and we drag it. See, I'll copy this formula. I just put it here. Here, I want next to here. So I just put it here. I get the name. So all formulas included in one formula. Initially, it looked complex, but when we did it, it's so easy. Probably initially it will take time to understand, but you as you keep doing it, you will learn it. So learning is the only way out to make this complex formula look easy. Okay, uh, that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.